4 Arabic letters, easy and similar, with 4 short words. Do you want to know more? Keep watching. Welcome again. I am Abdurrahman.
And I am Hassan,
and you are watching O Arabic.
As we mentioned in the introduction video, we will look at a set of letters which are put into context through words and descriptive images. Then we will extract the letters from the words.
Look at the images and the words. The rice name in Arabic is Riz, Riz, Riz. The name of the button beside is similar. Just swap the letters, then bam. It sounds like zir, zir, zir. Let's match each word with the image that describes it. Notice the timer and pause the video if needed. Riz, riz, zir, zir.
These letters are easy. As you can see, their shapes are simple. They look like bananas. Not that one, this one.
Try to fill the missing letter in the words from the letter bank. Let me explain the pronunciation steps, and this is the general way of all next lessons. First, you will see on the screen our letters. Then you will hear their sounds. Try to shadow the sounds. After that, in the quiz, you will guess the correct letter when you hear its sound. Now we will pronounce the letters. Ra, ra, ra. Za, za, za. Listen and choose the correct letter among the options. Za, za, za. Ra, ra, ra.
Arabic words are written by connecting two or more letters. Most of the letters connect from the right and left. 6 of them connect only from the right. Let's see how our 2 letters connect.
See this example. Our 2 letters Ra and Za connect from right to other letters. The 2 words we have now means glory and secret. Please note, this example is only for illustrating how the letters connect, so do not think about the other letters now. To concentrate the information further, we will go to a quick quiz. Match the corresponding letters. Note that each letter may be written in several forms.
When the script of this lesson was being prepared, it covered only 2 letters, Ra and Za. But were 2 letters enough? We thought that the more the merrier. The greater the effort, the greater the results.
Let's go directly to the next letter. It's pretty easy. It looks like a pencil. It sounds like like the letter A in can. The other letter is wa, wa, wa. It is similar to our previous letter Ra. Just add a small circle over here.
From these 2 new letters, we can form the word aw, which means or. Hold on, is there a mark over a? Oh yeah, that's Iglai, but don't worry, as we'll learn about it later.
The other word is was, was. Just add the letter we have just learned. This word means, as you can see, gooses. Let's go now to matching game. You will notice a timer. You can pause the video if needed. Was, أو Try to fill the missing letter in the words from the letter bank. أو was.
In this listening part, you will hear the sounds of the letters. After that, in the quiz, you will guess which letter you have heard. It will be clearer then.
Listen carefully and shadow after the sound. Ah, ah, ah. Wa, wa, wa. Now listen and select the appropriate letter. Ah, ah, ah. Wa, wa, wa.
Now you'll get to a matching quiz like the one for Ra and Za. Match the different forms of A and Wa. But first, let's take another look at the different forms of writing our two letters. Now to the quiz.
To solidify what we've learned, all is left is a simple task for you to master this new knowledge. This task is to revise this information while relating them with each other for the strong links to form. To perform this revision, we have now the last quizzes in this lesson. They look like the earlier ones, but slightly harder. We gathered all letters and words in these 4 quizzes. So are you ready? Good luck and let's go! Match the pictures with the appropriate word. أو رز زر was. Now listen and select the appropriate letter. Ah, ah, ah. Wa, wa, wa. Ra, ra, ra. Za, za, za. Let's go now to a matching quiz. It is similar to the earlier ones, but with 4 letters, written in the 2 cases. Now match the corresponding letters. This is the final quiz, the missing letter. We have here 4 letters and 4 words. Let's go. Riz, riz. Was, was. Zr, zr. Oh, oh. That's it for today. This is an introduction to break the ice between you and Arabic. From the next lesson, we will learn more letters and little longer words and more games. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends.
Subscribe and tap the bell to get notified of any new videos. With your support, we continue. Thank you for watching the video to the end. See you
in the next lesson.